2003 Vibe. Noise and exhaust. Really loud noise. Yeah, so I'm going to put it up on the ramp there. Let's see what I can do. Yeah, I got a leak in my exhaust. I'm going to try this stove and furnace cement grey and see what I can do with that. Put that on. There's a couple little small holes there. High temperature silicate cement, suited for bonding and sealing metal to metal and metal to masonry joints where maximum thickness of joint does not exceed 1/8. So I may have to put a band around it. And air dry for 24 hours, then heat gradually. Now I'm going to, I bought some stove door gasket too. That's asbestos, I believe. Yeah, so I might put that around. The problem is I can't take my bolts off because they're rusted so bad. Can't get them out, and I'm just trying to cut down on the noise a little bit. So I'm going to put that cement all over a little piece of that and try to get it in around. See what I can do. So I got some of that put in the hole, plugged in the hole, asbestos, and smear that around now and leave it for a while air dry. And then I'll put another coat on it. Maybe I might put a clamp around there. The pipe is not loose, this piece came off. One of the protectors came off and left the hole. So, yeah, now this is the DeGuardar, the piece that came off, and you couldn't really see the crack, so it was attached there at one point right there. And when I took it off, I pulled it off. Certainly it was just loose. Left a hole in the exhaust system. So anyway, so here you can see what I got done so far. And the stuff sticks like. I'm going to put another coat on it anyway and rub it in. Clean it off with the steel brush. I can see a couple little leaks there. So anyway, we'll try that out. This is it. Put a little bit on now. Just a bump, that's where I put the asbestos in that hole there. So, yep. Anyway, let's see now if she's going to be any better. Now, I got it done. I had to leave her there for a while and until that air dries, and then start it up and heat it up. Now, while I'm waiting for that stuff to dry on the exhaust, I'm going to have a little bit of this salt fish watered all night, and some scrunches, an onion, and a bit of bruise. My honey has gone to St. John's now, so I'm left alone. Cover out now, those onions. This is what we put over the bruise, and the fish is coming to a boil. The bruise is not moving. Right. Yep, and there's my feed. A few sweet grapes just before a cup of coffee, drink of water, and the news. NTV news, that is. Okay, we'll start it and see what she sounds like now. Oh yeah. Right, nice. Yeah, quiet. 100% better.